When your Hampton Bay ceiling fan stops working, systematic diagnosis is key. Start with the most basic checks before moving to complex issues. First, check the basics. Is your circuit breaker tripped? Is the wall switch turned on? These simple checks solve many fan problems before you need to investigate further. Next, use a voltage tester to confirm power at the ceiling junction box. This step determines whether the problem is in your electrical supply or the fan itself. Hampton Bay fans have several common failure points. These include startup problems, lighting issues, remote control malfunctions, unusual noises, and wobbling during operation. If power is present but the fan still doesn't work, inspect the wiring connections. Look for loose wire nuts, damaged insulation, or disconnected wires in the junction box. For smart Hampton Bay fans, connectivity issues are common. Check that your fan is properly paired with apps like Hubspace, Google Home, or Alexa for remote control functionality. Remember, electrical work can be dangerous. If you're uncomfortable with any of these diagnostic steps or find damaged wiring, always consult a licensed electrician for safety. When your Hampton Bay ceiling fan motor won't run, a faulty capacitor is often the culprit. The capacitor provides the electrical boost needed to start the motor. Remote control problems are common with Hampton Bay fans. Start by replacing the batteries, then check that the remote and receiver are set to the same frequency using the dip switches. If your fan is making noise, the solution is usually simple. Tighten all screws on the motor housing, blade brackets, and light fixture. Loose connections are the most common cause of fan noise. A wobbly ceiling fan needs balanced blades. First, ensure all blades are securely attached. If wobbling continues, use a balancing kit to add small weights until the fan runs smoothly. When the fan lights aren't working, start with the basics. Check that bulbs are properly tightened and not burned out. Then inspect all wiring connections to ensure they're secure. For additional help or replacement parts, contact Hampton Bay customer service at 1-855-HD-HAMPTON. Remember, never install indoor ceiling fans outdoors as this will cause damage and void your warranty.